In this video, I'll show you how to remove music from your Facebook profile. If you've added a song to your profile but no longer want it there, or if you want to delete all of them, I'll walk you through the steps. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks. You can do this either on the Facebook app or by visiting facebook.com. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, then tap on your profile at the top left. There are two ways to remove a song. The first method is to tap the three dots next to the song you want to remove. From there, you can select Unpin from Profile. This removes the song from the top of your profile, but it will still be visible under the About section. If you want to completely remove the song, go back to your profile and tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Scroll down until you find the Audience and Visibility section and tap on Profile Details. Then continue scrolling down to the Music section. In this section, tap See All to view all the songs linked to your profile. You'll see a list of your songs, and from here you can tap the three dots next to each song. Select Delete Song from Profile to remove them. Just like that, you've removed the songs from your profile. If you want to add new songs later, simply tap the plus icon and choose which ones you'd like to display on your profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.